We are about to light the menorah. Lighting the menorah has a very, very powerful message, always, and I think today more than ever. A menorah is lit when it's dark outside. You might have the menorah lit during the day as well, but we light it when it's dark. We're going to see in a moment the flames of the menorah. We're going to notice that in a dark place, we add light. We find ourselves in a world of many wonderful people, and mostly wonderful people, definitely here. And however, unfortunately, the wonderful people don't always make it to the news and aren't always the loudest voices on social media. And sometimes darkness could seem that it's prevailing, and it could seem so intense. Torah and Judaism teaches us that all you need to do to fight darkness, you can't fight darkness, you can't chase it away with a stick, you can't fight it back. You could shine light. You could shine light, and every one of us have light to shine. Every one of us have in ourselves a beautiful light to shine. We all have our personalities and our styles and our backgrounds and our religions, and we all have something to share. So together we're going to make the blessing now, and we're going to ask the government representatives to help me light the shamish, the center candle, before we light the regular candles and make a blessing. And then we're going to call up a number of community members to help us and light the remaining 4 candles. If you're in the Hebrew school, you're welcome to join as we make the blessing. Thank you. I was asked, how come we don't light all of them? When I was setting this up, we usually have the bulbs, and tonight we only have half of it lit. So if you're not familiar with Hanukah, you're wondering, hey Rabbi, we didn't have enough oil? So that was the miracle of Hanukah, that we had enough oil. But the reason we don't light all of them is that in Judaism, and I believe in the world in general, our approach and our outlook on life is that it's not all or nothing. We start with one, and we slowly grow from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 and finally 8. And this is the message of Hanukah that we take throughout the entire year. Just because there's only 8 lights, that doesn't mean we stop growing. But that's the message, that we grow and grow in kindness, in positivity, and in life. I want to thank again, a huge thank you for every single one of you for coming out here. You are making it a beautiful outdoors. You are lighting up the outside. You are shining your light and making this city and our community so much more beautiful than it was yesterday. So thank you. Give yourselves a round of applause.